In 1908, the quiet Siberian forest was shaken by an explosion with no apparent source. A summer morning in Tunguska, Siberia was abruptly shattered by an explosion that flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. Yet in the aftermath, no impact crater was found. This event, known as the Tunguska Event, remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. The explosion was estimated to be about 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. However, the enigma lies in the fact that despite the devastation, there was no sign of a meteorite impact. Scientists believe it was likely caused by the airburst of a small comet or asteroid. This theory, however, is yet to be substantiated.